Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make barracks. Homemade barracks with homemade bread. This is a German food that it tastes really good. So let's get started. These are all my ingredients. Put 1 cup of water first. And 2 large eggs beaten, and next is melted butter, 3 tablespoons melted butter, two teaspoons salt, add 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons powdered milk, and this is 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Oops, make a mess here, and put it there slowly so that it won't splatter the liquid inside. There you go. And then you're gonna make a hole in the center to put the yeast, and then add a 3 teaspoons of yeast here in the center, and that's good. That is ready to go. We'll put it in the bread machine. We'll put it down, lock it, and let's go find the number 7. In this machine, the dough is number 7. Just press that button until it gets to number 7. And that's gonna take 1 hour and 50 minutes. There you go. It started. So let's check it out after 1 hour and 50 minutes. While we're waiting for the dough, it's time to make the fillings. So this is all my ingredients for the fillings. Ingredients: heat the pan and then put the 1 pound of ground beef. And you stir it until it cooks. And put the meat aside in the half in the pan, and then add 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter or oil, but here I just use margarine. And when it melts, add 1 teaspoon minced garlic, and then stir it until it cook. Make it brown a little bit and let it smells. Garlic smells so good. And then when it's ready, add 1/2 cup of chopped onion. You can use red onion or you can use a yellow onion, whatever you like. And then add the bell pepper. You can use just green or just red, but I like that mixed it together so that it adds the nice color, red and green. I didn't have the yellow. I should put a yellow too. So that, and after that, mix it together. And stir until it makes very good and it smells so good. And then when it's ready for the spices, we'll add 1 teaspoon ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon salt and 2 cups of chopped cabbage. This is it. This is the last ingredients. And then stir and cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. And this is ready. So let's go check for our bread. Here you go. Here's the dough is ready. It's overflowing. That is 5 cups of flour. It's too much. I can't cook that in there. I just use that machine for making a dough. So here we put flour here and then take out the dough. Put a little bit of flour so that it won't to stick in your hand, and then form it, make it long so that it makes it easy to cut and divide it. Alright, here you go. I cut it in half and set aside the other loop. I could make 20 pieces of Bierocks in this 5 cups of flour. So here you go. I will cover the other one while waiting. Try to make this as fast as I can so that the dough will not rise again. So cut it like that, just estimate it. I just follow the measurement on that mat. Follow the measurement of this mat and then make it into a round form and all of it. And here we go, it's ready. Just fill it as much as you like, just enough to cover it. Now I'm gonna need help for this 20 pieces of barracks to make it faster. And top it with cheddar cheese. It's optional, or whatever cheese you like. You can put any cheese that you like. It adds the taste. We use cheddar cheese, it tastes really good. So do it like that and pinch it. If you pinch it, it closed it. Here you mix 1 egg and a 2 teaspoons of melted margarine. You mix it together to brush it on the top of the bread of the Bierocks, so that it will give it a nice color and shiny and crisp in the top. So brush it everything there on the top. Here, that I let it rest for 15 minutes, and that looks good. It rises, it double the size, and that is ready. That's after 15-minute rest, brushed with egg and the margarine mixture. So there you go. We'll brush it all. And here we go. It's ready to bake for 15 minutes at 370 degrees, or if your oven is different, you can adjust the time, because I know every oven is different. So here you go, it's done. It looks good and it smells really good. It's gonna be our lunch today. So look at that. It's very soft and crisp on the top and shiny because of the egg and the margarine.
You can probably hear those kids screaming.
Yeah. Hamburger, cabbage, onions, cheese. Got all the good stuff.
Alright, and now you can bite. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
That's good stuff.